Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time clock in Minecraft. First, gather your materials. You will need one daylight sensor, one redstone lamp, and some redstone dust. These items are fundamental for creating a basic time indicator. The daylight sensor detects light levels, which change throughout the Minecraft day-night cycle. This allows it to send a varying redstone signal to power your lamp, visually representing the time. To begin, let's ensure you have all the necessary items. Crafting a daylight sensor requires 3 glass blocks, 3 nether quartz, and 3 wooden slabs. Redstone dust is crucial. You can find it by mining redstone ore, typically at lower Y levels. Finally, combine 4 redstone dust with 1 glowstone block to craft your redstone lamp. Having these prepared makes the building process smooth and efficient. Now, let's put it all together. First, place your daylight sensor on any block in an area exposed to the sky. This ensures it can accurately detect the sun or moon. Next, run a line of redstone dust from the daylight sensor to your redstone lamp. The length of the redstone dust can be up to 15 blocks. As the in-game time progresses, you'll notice the redstone lamp's brightness will adjust, indicating the current time of day. You can customize your time clock further. Right-clicking the daylight sensor will invert its signal, making it active during the night instead of the day. For longer redstone lines, use redstone repeaters to boost the signal strength every 15 blocks. This allows for more complex and spread-out time displays. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.